First of all, I have to admit that this is a very perfect equipment key set. As you can see, it comes in a sturdy and nice box, contains 5 key rings that enable you to freely carry the keys you need, and comes with detailed key instructions. Every key here is made of high-quality material with OEM craftsmanship, smooth and strong, not easy to break. There are 100 keys in total, and with the video you can definitely find the one you need, and you can even use the other keys as your spares, which is a very good plan. You can also look up the corresponding key information by key shape, such as 16P JCB 14603, such as 11P CAD P8500, such as 5 Kobelco K250. And you can scan the QR code to get more detailed information about the key, which is really handy and also enables me to look up the information I need right from my cell phone. The best surprise is that he provides 5 key rings, which will allow you to adequately carry the device keys you need, and the material of these key rings is also very good.